everyone, my name is Mango, and today we're going to be making a density jar, or more commonly known as a rainbow in a jar. You're going to need some very common ingredients. So you need honey or maple syrup. I'm going to be using honey today. Some dish soap, some water, some oil, and a little bit of rubbing alcohol. Okay, let's get started. So you want to start by putting the food coloring in so that we can get our rainbow. So we're just gonna I'm gonna do purple for the maple syrup. Since the dish soap is already blue, we already have our blue. And then I'm gonna do green for the water. And we have yellow for the oil, and then I'm going to do red for the rubbing alcohol. And I'm just gonna swirl them around. Okay, so we're gonna start. You want a clear little cup so that you can see the rainbow in the jar once we're finished. And so we're going to add our honey or our maple syrup at the bottom. You wanna start, make sure you don't get any on the side or it does impact the color of your rainbow. And then put it aside. You only need a little, so you just wanna form a little bit of a layer. And then you want to put in your dish soap, but you want to put it through very carefully so that it forms a layer. And then you want to slowly add your water. You have to be very careful when you're adding the water because water and dish soap do mix to form bubbles. So if you put it in very lightly, the water should sit on top. And then you want to add your oil, very lightly. And the oil should come to the top. And as you can see, and then we can add our rubbing alcohol, which is the last part of it. And there, if you look really closely, as you can see, there are your rainbows. And so this occurs because of something really fancy called density, but basically what it is that the liquids are heavier. So the heavier liquids are going to go to the bottom, while the lighter liquids are going to go to the top. So as we all usually know that when you mix, oil and water don't mix. So similarly, they don't mix and they're gonna sit on top of each other like that. And you end up with something like a rainbow because the liquids are lighter and heavier. So the heavier liquids go to the bottom and the lighter liquids will end up going to the top. Thank you for watching. I hope you try it out for yourself and I hope you learned something today.
Thanks for joining the Summer Camp Pals for another great video. For more videos like this, be sure to follow us on Facebook and subscribe on YouTube. We've got great activities for you to follow along with all summer. If you want to hang out with the BGC Pals in person, be sure to check out our after-school program at 20 locations across Durham region, get connected with one of our great evening programs in the fall, or join one of our other amazing programs. You can find details about all of these programs and more at bgcdurham.com. See you next time!